Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Kemen pat, tapi nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kibriu Dusmon yak homestay, kabelatip, kum ke Oakwood Homestay, kabadan Risa Colony, Shillong, Ïohkem Superintendent of Police Babiveks Iem Uloong, Pamarsnyo jing ujor, menen kasngi kakenhon Pulit, ka Meghalaya, kilamid na Shillong, parengkat ka jing trailang, bagi Pulit ka Assam. Palara aru siyang kashri, henday namar bakaday kajing penkain ka bakamret, kila Ïohkem. Henday kajing tokit eki, kanang nyay bateng, pat anshat shiru eki. USP Reitho, bakini kibriu, kibelatip kerteng kum Vinash Singh, Upratap Singh, balangut kikana kat newsnam. Kila berngam bat penperai ke homestay, bat kila liat Dusmon ru. Bat hadin kata kila mi klam dasi wega jing jular, na kani jing liat jongki.
With regard to the incident which happened in the homestay in Risa colony by the name of Oakwood, we had received a complaint on the 11th that about two people had threatened and vandalized the guest house, and they had left without making compensation for the same. A case was registered immediately, and a team was sent the very next day, that was yesterday, to trace these people. We had been in touch with the counterparts from Assam, SP Kokrajhar and SP Alipurduar, and in Sabuktala yesterday at about 4 to 5, we had intercepted these people by the name of Vikas Singh, Vinash Singh, Akan Pratap Singh, and 3 other minors who are about 17 years old. After the interception by Alipurduar police in Sabuktala PS area, our team from here had gone there to Alipurduar and had arrested them and produced them in the court of the CJM in Alipurduar. However, as the offences are below 7 years, they have received bail. The minors also have been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. Though they have received bail, arrest has been made. Investigation will carry on to ensure that we charge sheet them at the earliest.
Under what section was the case also?
It was under section 351 clause 3, 324 clause 3 and 3 clause 5 of the BNS Act.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.